Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Monaco. I guess we're going to get some folks streaming in here. So pleased to see everyone here. Some new faces, some very familiar faces who follow us around the globe, or at least continue to come every year in Europe. This is our fourth annual CoinAgenda Europe. The granddaddy of CoinAgendas, of course, is in Las Vegas. We'll be having our 9th annual CoinAgenda Global Conference in Las Vegas, October 21st to 23rd. We always do it right before the Big Money 2020 show, or during or after. This year it'll be a little before. And for the second time ever, we're going to be holding it in downtown Las Vegas rather than on one of the big, 50-story strip behemoths. We've actually kept our record up of having it at a different venue every year now for 9 years. And this year we're going to be at Circa, which is a new 5-star hotel downtown. And the last time we held, I guess it must be a bear market thing. The last time we held a CoinAgenda in downtown Las Vegas was our very second CoinAgenda in 2015, and the price of Bitcoin had just dipped below $200. And we were accepting Bitcoin. Actually, most people paid for the show in Bitcoin, so it was good for us. But that was actually, they say you build during the bear markets, and that's when the tourists go away. I would have to say that was probably, and it was a show about this size, it was probably one of the best lineups we ever had. And we had the only North American appearance, I think for years, of Craig Wright before he announced that he was Satoshi. He was actually on a panel that we had with Nick Szabo and Trace Mayer, and then Nick did a keynote. So we had a lot of real OGs. And when you're calling someone an OG in 2015, that's really saying something. And so that'll be this will be our second one that'll be downtown. And the other event that we're going to have for the rest of 2022 to wrap it up is going to be what has become our largest event. It will be our 6th annual CoinAgenda Caribbean. As many of you know, I moved from Las Vegas to Puerto Rico in early 2016. I was the first person from the crypto world to move down there for, let's put the analogy this way. Puerto Rico is to the U.S. as Monaco is to Europe. So Puerto Rico and Giovanni Mendez, who's the top tax attorney on the island, will explain all the ins and outs for those of you here who are Americans. But just like people move to Monaco for the beauty, they also move for the great tax benefits. And Puerto Rico is the only place in the world where American citizens can legally pay zero capital gains on their worldwide income. You can't do that in Monaco. The U.S. will say, nope, worldwide. So, and we had about 800 people attend last year, and it was still this level of intimacy. We've always capped CoinAgenda at 1,000 people. We've come close only twice, which was both in Puerto Rico, just because we want to make sure that everybody can have a conversation with someone, and that the people who are in the crowd, tend to self-select as being of interest enough to the people on the stage, that the people on the stage don't just hop on stage and then leave because they don't want to, dirty their hands with the masses. Here, the people in the audience are every bit as interesting and accomplished in many cases as the people on stage.